I'm on the hunt for the metropolitan area's most mouth-watering culinary treasures. And today, I have one thing on my mind: steak. And who better to help me than attorney Marc Saperstein. Marc is known for carving into the most complex legal issues as a founding partner of Davis, Saperstein & Solomon. Dubbed by some as the Foodie lawyer, this fine wine connoisseur is also known for his refined palate, and he is taking me to one of his favorites, Sparkill Steakhouse. From the moment we walked in, we felt like part of the family.
It's just the way Sal and Carlo treat you when you come in. They know your kids. They know where you're from. They talk about their families. They're all family people. And I just love to come here because of that reason.
You know, most of the customers, we make them feel like they're at home, like our kitchen is their kitchen.
Owned by Sal and Carlo, it is known for its classic dishes like savory sides, juicy lamb chops, an array of fresh seafood, and of course, tender steaks. This elegant yet unpretentious restaurant lies right over the border in Sparkill, New York. From the atmosphere, to the food, to the extensive wine list, this is one place you don't want to miss.